in a little more interesting place here. We're gonna go for a little bit of walk. Partly it is raining here, and I wanted to test a new microphone out, so we're gonna walk around in the rain in here in Akihabara Japan. We're gonna just got off here after class, and we're gonna walk around some. Try to avoid people a little bit, but let's just walk. I have no real actually, I could. Okay, let's just start walking around. I was trying to figure out what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Sweat, but I felt like sorry. I felt like this nice rainy that would be a good environment to show around. It's, I don't know, definitely a little rainy. I don't know, we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna turn off and then turn off the, what, 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's be a little less weird. I was just adjusting setting on my camera. Oh, you can make it. Ah. As long as you're on there, other people there, you're fine. A little late. A little more hectic than when I was walking around Ishikawa. Try to do our best. What I want to find here is somewhere like a side area we'll walk down. But we are very close. Oops, very close to the station, and my umbrella just. There we go. My umbrella flipped out there. Only the most quality umbrella. I'm not sure we're just going to walk in a straight line. And we'll find somewhere else to move down on. Let's just move. But not much little arcade there. Not going to go in right now, but I have been to the arcade once, and they're not as noisy as I thought it would be. I was scared, like, oh, it's so noisy in there, but no, not really too bad. We have a side street. I'll bring us back to the train station. Bigger head there. Which game is this? We got. Gosh, I feel like it's probably gacha of some sort. Always a gacha. It's always gachas, right? I still recognize it. It's actually no, it might be their own. I think that's their own mascot, which doesn't surprise me. I didn't see it. It just said their department. And just like, get out of here. Crowded. What's the Hololive store? We have your Hololive capsules, Pikachu capsule. I could grab a Pikachu. I don't know if I'm going to grab a capsule right now, but gotcha. There's always a gotcha. Nope. Try to not go down. I'm going to go down. This was a little. Again, we don't have any specific destinations. Just stay out of people's way. Train cards. No, I thought there'd be less people raining, but I suppose the rain does not slow things down here. Oh no. Actually, maybe it is less busy. We got more Hall Life, I think, right? I swear it's Hall Life. We got Book Off, which would be fun to drop by. There's Book Off is it's secondhand stuff. I don't know which one specifically has, but I would assume it's weeb stuff. We got Railgun. Or that would be, you know, that's just Railgun. All the weeb stuff, yeah? Freaking, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Getting out. Odin. We got the cameras. What's Omni? Omni has a bunch of figures. I still need to get my place set up better so I can buy more figures. And I could theoretically go in. We're not going to go into any stores today. Probably because it's really annoying with an umbrella. I know, so I just wanted to do a quick walk around. I'm gonna get out of here. Well, that truck again. It's a really annoying, weird-eyed, googly-eyed truck. And it's that, gosh, blinking on his name. We have all that more weeb shit. I'll wait for the crossing. This is probably where you guys thought, like, Japan would be like when I was showing earlier, but a lot of it's more like this. We'll walk towards the trains, I think. So I'm blanking on. It's funny, like I'll see stuff like I recognize it, but I don't recognize what series it's from. Especially for like what I consider, I don't know, the more like like East Sky Slot sort of stuff. Well, not really. It's not East Sky Slot, but gosh, it's a zombie one. Oh no, it's the muscle. Oh, gosh, it's fine. I don't know. There's a lot. There is quite a lot. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can use this place as my IRL. I could. Hello. It's probably much nicer when it's, you know, not raining. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Get away from into the random back alley. There we go. Now we're in the middle of nowhere. There still will surprisingly be a lot of people. But now that we've gone away from the crowd, I can talk. Wow. Okay. Now these, yeah, we're still in Akihabara, but it's just like you go in here, and this would be anything after, you know, too far from the station ends up being a lot more chill because the station is, you know, where everyone's going. It's been within reach. Everyone clusters around that, but you know, everyone's going there. Yeah, it's that. I think a maid cafe, probably. No, I don't know. Weeb stuff. All the weeb stuff. Hey, the computer repair. Always good to have those. And not really surprising. There should be a lot of like, what's it, tech or get your shit repaired. I don't think I've ever gone into like a repair shop, even in the States, because I would always just do it myself. But, you know, just walk in a straight line. I'll be like, how far have I gone? Oh, don't break your umbrella. The umbrella I have right now is not the best. But it is fine. Hey, look, graffiti. It's funny because like I'm so used to seeing that like in LA. It's everywhere. The more gritty parts. Like I don't even know where I'm at anymore. That's not a big deal. I'll just navigate back later. That's loud. That's really freaking loud. Imagine having a shop right under the train. Wait. Oh, jeez. Because we had a shop right under a train. Oh, gosh. It would be very popular, but very loud. The worst would be if it was like a point that the train went over, but you weren't actually close. So he's got noise but not the goods. That would be terrible. Drainage. It's like, what's that sound? Oh, it's that the temporary parking little thing. Fancy. Not really that fancy, but here, let's get that umbrella up so they get by. Like, it's way different. Oh, a little. Hey, more interesting over there. Obviously can't get into there, but expecting good places like keep out or whatever. That's cool. All these little bits. They might do stuff. Not now though. Okay. We'll just keep walking. And I'll end up somewhere. I mean, at some point, basically what I'll do is I'll just wrap up and walk back. I mean, what I could do, I think what I could do here is I could navigate back to the station, we'll walk back, and when I see the station again, we'll wrap up there. That seems like a plan. I'll do that at this corner. I don't know how long the walk's gonna be, but yeah, I'm also not sure how this recording audio is gonna be. Hopefully it's good, but we'll see. Like right now, it's definitely fine, but like this is the main record. There's two things. One I have today is I think the second or third. I don't know. It's Tuesday. And I'm going to try to do an IRL test stream with a different camera, but it'd be same microphone. Nah, I just get used to walk around here mostly. That's the main thing. But they're not the members, and I wanted a little experience walking around here. Also, I found it'd be fun to walk around here while it's raining. Well, I'm realizing it's kind of annoying because my hands are completely full. So I won't do anything else. It's kind of a pain. I think we're gonna do next time I see a place, I'm making my phone out. Actually, I think this way is the right way anyways, but here. I'm gonna get my phone out and I'm gonna navigate back. Here, let me finish route. So I am going to go and get my phone out here, and we're going to navigate back over here. Here, we'll go clear out. home. It says I'm only like a 3-minute walk. We did? Oh my gosh, I actually almost did a perfect circle. It says it's around the corner. So we'll see about that. We'll see about that. Much water. Hey, there's a train. Yeah, we must be right by the station again. Starts to sink pretty dry though. Oop. The funny thing is, during better seasons, there'd be like a bunch of other people like me. I'm just the one weirdo. Ah, the station's right there. I don't want that entrance though. So we're gonna try walk around for the entrance where I started at, if I can. The water's right there. That's cool. Sub bathroom. I find it like for some reason I think there of course they have rivers, but there's more like river than I thought there would be. But I don't know. I'm not sure what I expected. But it's chill. It is chill. Oh, here it is. Here we is. Well, the worst cameraman ever, but it's honestly hard. It's right across the street. It's honestly hard to deal with this sort of thing, like the camera work, as like I'm holding umbrella too. I'm holding umbrella, navigating, and you know, walk by these other. There we go. Hold the umbrella really high. Well, might record some stuff as voiceover later. We'll see. We'll see. Yep. There it is. 880 yen for some ramen, probably good. Probably good ramen. But there we are. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm not sure how this will look or sound when I get this finished up, but if you liked the video, hit the like button. I'm doing more of these. I'll get better at them as I go. I'm sure the audio will be better next time, but I don't want to record inside the train station, so. And I will see you guys. Next time, I do want to do IRL streams as well, but it's a whole different setup. I want to try to get like 2 of these a month, and it would be nice. It would allow me to, you know, get some stuff for you, like, oh my gosh, yeah. But like, we'll see. If I can do more, I can do more. I can't foresee myself getting more than 1 a week. That'd be a lot. 2 a month is just a month. 2 a month is the goal. I also want to do some IRL streams on top of that, but all things a good time, even ends up being less than that, or once a month. We'll see. Again, thanks so much to the YouTube members. Thanks so much to the Patreon supporters. And thanks so much to the subscribers as well. I will be you know, doing more of this hidden like button. And go watch the other one, the first one of these I did. If you haven't seen the first one where I walked around Ishikawa, go watch that. So a lot different because it's very crowded. Ishikawa was a lot, you know, Ishikawa was very chill. This is opposite of that. Okay, we're gonna turn the recording off though. Later.